How to add circled words in Microsoft Word document. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Word document. Now what you need to do is on the top you'll see various icons. You need to go ahead and tap on insert. Now on the right hand side you'll see symbol, tap on it and then tap on more symbols. Now, here on the font, you'll have to search for wingdings. So once you search for it, you'll have to scroll down and there you'll see the circled numbers right there. You just have to tap on insert. And there you go, the circle number has been inserted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.